Good morning, dear kids. Today we'll be doing our second chapter, that is linear equations. So that is your chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Let's start exercise 2.1. As the examples are very basic, very easy, we'll just directly start with exercise that says first x minus 2 is equal to 7. So I'll take this minus 2 here. It will be x is equal to 7 plus 2 and x is equal to 9. Problem number 2, y plus 3 is equal to 10. I'll take this 3 here. So it will be 10 minus 3. So y is equal to 7. Number 3, it is 6 is equal to z plus 2. I'll keep my z here, 6 here. This plus 2 will be taken here. So it will be minus 2. So z is equal to 4. Then I have 3 upon 7 plus x is equal to 17 upon 7. My dear kids, I'll take this x here, keep this x here, 17 upon 7 here, and this 3 upon 7 will go into subtraction and it will become minus 3 upon 7. 7 is a common denominator, so 17 minus 3, my dear kids, that will be 14 upon 7. Your final answer will be 2. Problem number 5, 6x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12. In this, 6 will be carried down. Why? Because 6 is in multiplication with x. On the right hand side, it will go and it will become division. So x is equal to 2. Next, you have 6th, which is very easy. I have to take this 5 here and it will be in multiplication. So 10 into 5, that is 50. Problem number 7, let's see. 2x upon 3 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18. This 3 will be going into multiplication. So x is equal to 18 into 3 and this 2 will come down into division. 2 1s are, 2 9s are. So 9 3s are 27 is the final answer. Problem number 8, which says 1.6 is equal to y upon 1.5. Y you will keep it here. This 1.5 will go into multiplication. So that will be 1.6 into 1.5. Calculate and give the final answer. Problem number 9 says 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. 7x is equal to 16. This minus 9 will go here into plus 9. So x is equal to 16 plus 9 and this 7 will come into division. So you should know these things, that whenever you have the left hand side and the right hand side of is equal to is there, and there is one left hand side, one right hand side. So whatever relation you have it with x on the left hand side, opposite relationship will happen on the right hand side. If you have addition on the left hand side, that addition will go into subtraction on the right hand side. If you have division on the left hand side, that division will go into multiplication on the right hand side. So opposite signs will be there. So that is 16 plus 9, that will be 25 upon 7. If you want to convert into mixed fraction, that will be the best option. Problem number 10. And it says 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. 14y minus 8, 14y I'll keep it here, 13, and this minus 8 will go into plus, so that will be 13 plus 8 and that's 21. Y I'll keep it here, 21 here, and this 14 will go into division. So you can cut off with the table of 7. So your answer is 3 upon 2. If you want to convert into decimal, it is 1.5. Problem number 11, 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. 6p you will keep it here, and 9, this 17 will go here and it will be minus 17, and then you will subtract 17 minus 9, that will be 8. My dear kids, bigger number has minus sign, so answer will be minus 8 here. P I'll keep it here and minus 8 here and 6 down. So that we'll eliminate with the table of 2, and that will be minus 4 and plus 3. So that is minus 4 upon 3. Problem number 12 says x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 15. My dear kids, if you want to take this number on this side, so it will be x upon 3 is equal to 7 upon 15 minus 1. The plus 1 will go on that side and become minus 1. इसके नीचे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1. X upon 3 will be as it is. This 15 will take an LCM and you have to cross multiply. So it will be 7 minus 15. So that will be x upon 3 is equal to 8 minus 8 upon 15. Why minus 8 here? Because the bigger number has minus sign. Now you can cross multiply. So x will be minus 8 into 3 upon 15. So that will be minus 24 upon 15. And if you want to cut with the table of 3, it will be 8 and 5. So answer is minus 8 upon 5. Clear, my dear kids? Are the problems clear? Okay. So I'll stop it here. You have to do all these 12 problems and I'll be putting a small task of extra problems. You have to do those also. Okay. God bless.